Welcome students to this Excel Maths online classes. Because of some power cut today, we were delayed by around 20 minutes. So sometimes we are not able to come. So it's mainly due to power cut. So now we are come so that you can watch. So welcome, one of the students has come. We are teaching about number system, real numbers. It's behind me. Hope you are able to see. And one more thing. Thing. Okay. So yesterday we were teaching about number system, real numbers, basic of number system and real numbers. The first one is actually 4 numbers. So we are giving the basic of every topic. So hope you understood what we taught yesterday. We teach some basic mathematics. Any doubts you can ask. Any doubts or clarification you can come to that. You can ask now, or if you have a particular problem, you can put in the comment box. This is for 8th to 12th standard. Any syllabus, including internet syllabus, you can ask some doubts. And being a live chat of general nature, this is general nature. This Excel Maths online class is just an introduction class about us thing. We got Google Meet online study where we teach a regular teaching for all syllabus, whole book we teach, we test, correction and other things. Also, we got Excel Math Study, one more YouTube channel where you can see some problems. Somebody asked about some 10th standard problems they want. So if you go to this Excel Math Studies, we have worked out a lot of sums you can watch there. If you want Deepak Samson-Raj, good evening, welcome. If you want some particular problems, you can ask here. If you want the whole syllabus of 10th standard, we have put in that Excel Math Study. You can note down Excel. This is Excel Maths online classes. That is Excel Math Study in YouTube, where you get what? Sums we have worked out in some topics. Quadratic equations, arithmetic progression, all comes in 10th standard. Even this we worked out. Number system also we worked out, some extra sums are there. So you can see there also, this is only for general. See, Deepak Samson-Raj is actually a commerce student. He is interested to know about something about maths. He has come. And many institutions and many well-wishers, they come here. Some cooking channels, some tutorials also came. They also want to learn something about maths. So we just teach some basic here. If you want any particular sum, you can ask. Any syllabus, 8 to 12. You can put in the comment box or in the email. If you like this channel, you can subscribe and press the like button. We upload the videos daily thing. These videos which we spoke, you can see these live chat videos are available. You can see afterwards also, we given latest topics about how to score marks, why there's a fear in maths. A lot of general things also we are given some counseling. If you want any, you can also give some suggestions and ideas to make this thing quite interesting. And welcome Samson-Raj. And also, yesterday we are teaching about number system. We are given some ideas. And today, yesterday we did 3 points like natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Today, we'll go to 2 more things extra. We'll go after some time. Let some students come. some of them, because we joined late today because of power cut, and the power came now only. So sometimes there's power fluctuations, so you can't come. Abigail, good evening. Sorry, you came at 6 o'clock. There was some power problem. Now only the power has come. This has been big, and I don't know we have anything to put for this power. We'll check out after in the long run. Welcome. So yesterday we were teaching about number system and real numbers. And Abigail, please don't use any capital letters. Sorry, Deepak. Uh, it's not for you. Deepak has used some capital letters. According to YouTube rules, capital letters should not be used. There are a lot of rules in YouTube, so some of them know it's okay for you. Think, right? And, well, now this number system we are doing it actually. We'll do two more things today: rational and irrational, and finally tomorrow also we'll continue with these two and real numbers. Totally, there's 7 things: real numbers and imaginary will get over. So, those who are doing like Deepak, Abhishek, Abigail, and all, you try to copy it in a notebook. Copying, in a sense, you can learn and write once. Writing once is good. I was telling yesterday. Don't see this board and think it look easy, or when we explain it look easy. You must write this once. This number system comes from some syllabus from 6th standard also, 6, 7. It goes till college level, even postgraduates it come. It's a very big ocean. A part of it being basic is taught here. And so yesterday we talked about natural numbers and some other things. Hope you all remember. And if you have any doubts, you can contact. You can come on to the email. You can pass on your comments or doubts or clarifications in the comment box or email box. And any particular problems we'll work out. Someone has to wanted to work out 10th standard. You can tell any particular topic, particular sum we'll work out here. If you want the full 10th standard, you have to join the Google Meet, full sums in the textbook, plus extra sums, plus test and whatnot. Question papers, all this we can't do here partially. So you have to come. So once again, we welcome you all for this Excel Max online classes thing. And Abigail, you understood this topic. And if you have doubts or clarification in this topic, you can ask what we have taught. Like anyway, we'll try to move on to the next one also, but it's better to clear doubts if you have. You can type and ask, or any sums also you can ask in this. And so this basic foundation, if you have, it will be quite easy. Any doubt, yesterday doubt also you can ask, or any problem in this if you have, you can put in the comment box. Yesterday we did a lot of topics and a lot of theories, concepts, natural number concept, whole number concept, integer concept. Hope because today we are going a little higher, rational and irrational. Next is real numbers and imaginary numbers. So this will finish the topic. So yesterday 3 concepts we'll sing and some sums were given today. You can also some sums if you ask. Some doubts yesterday you can ask it. Please clarify your doubts. And if you have any doubts, don't keep it within yourself. It'll be you want to move forward. So doubts you can ask anything and copy this thing notes. And this topic also listen in the school, whether you go for a YouTube or a outside tuition, watch or miss, whether it's in the school or in the online classes, listen what the miss says, write those things, because the test questions will come only from what she teaches. It won't come anything outside. So any doubt or clarification you can ask. We'll wait, or you can type it out. There's nothing, and so that we can go to the next one. And also you can post your queries anything in the comment box. And number system, we'll try to finish it, and then we'll go to one more topic in maths. This was asked by Abigail. Next, we'll go for Abhishek asked about matrix. We'll teach about some basic matrix. Of course, if you want, you can go to the Excel math study. There you got a lot of basic and some also. You can go to the Excel math study. Those who are studying in school and colleges, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, the Excel math study is very useful. A lot of sums are worked out. This is only for an introduction and just basic things about thing, because not only students, not only math students, others also come here. So we can't go for harder sums, but still, if you want to sum, any doubt, any clarification, you can post in the comment box. And we'll still, if you have anything, we'll try to clarify it. So before going to the revision of yesterday and today, I'll just give some ideas and advices, and try to learn what is taught daily. Don't pile up. Don't put the portions what long time. So do it regularly, systematically. Try to finish the homework daily, or at least if one day you're very busy, you can do one other day. Don't postpone too many days. As I told you last week, yesterday, and all, many, if the exam starts on Monday, only Saturday they open the book. It is not advisable, it will collapse. Nothing what you learned also will collapse. So don't do like that. Write the notes regularly. Many don't write the notes. Then they copy from the friend. One day they get the friend's note and copy 20 pages, which is not advisable. So daily copy, daily go through, and doubts you can ask in this topic. And we'll come at 6 o'clock. But today, because of some power problem, we came late. There's no power till 6:15. So we're late by 15 minutes. So generally, when you're late, means we'll try to adhere to a schedule. We'll come at 6. But suppose if you're not available, you can summarize that there's some power problem, current cut. Very so we can't come to this live stream, this live chat. Any doubts of yesterday, you can ask. Any clarification, any particular sum about any syllabus, 8th to 12th, you can ask and put in the comment box. You can come. And so before going to this teaching, we'll wait for some more time, because it'll be useful to teach everyone. So totally around 4 is there. And we'll try to do what we did yesterday. And I think I'll sit and show yesterday. So n is the set of natural numbers. N is called the set of natural numbers. So hope you're able to get a combination. So n is called the set of natural numbers. Capital N. This is called, I said, what we learned yesterday. I'm trying to revise again, because many are weak in mathematics, many are not connected in mathematics. They come from institute, they come from different things, they want to learn the basic. So that's why we have to repeat again and again. If you are a math student, if you are thorough, nothing harm in learning again. So, I think I'll come to a little. Okay. So, because my voice was right. Okay. The n is called a set of natural numbers. It's called descriptive form. Writing what is here. Natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called. If the board is clear, if the board is not clear, you can type it. If my voice is not clear, you can type it. You can pause on the message. We try to adjust it. So we try to take the minimum, because we are just putting the board on the YouTube and doing it. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 called Roscoe form. And I taught you one more thing called set builder notation yesterday. So that is also very important. You can do it. Rational. Next is called set of whole numbers. Set of set is 1, 2, 3 stuff lower class. Then they join zero, like the other brother. I said yesterday. Set of whole numbers. Whole numbers is given with a symbol W. It's called discrete, and there's one more thing called set builder notation, which we taught yesterday, and we can write thing also. Set of integers. So you can see the yesterday video where we have explained this properly with the element of a lot of sums. So you can watch the yesterday video. If you're thorough with it, okay, still if you're doubt, you can ask the doubts, you can post the doubts and clarification and everything. The board is clear, thank you. Okay. Next one is set of integers minus real one positive. And yesterday we talked about z plus and all. You can see the previous day channel. It's just a revision for the first thing. These are the things. Now, some sums are given here. Every whole number is a natural number, true or false. Can you type it? Abigail is there, Deepak is there. Every whole number is a natural number. Simple question. You must type true or false. But don't do something what. You write whether it's true or false. Don't make a chance and write something. See, the question is every whole number is a natural number, true or false. Can you tell me? You can type the answer. Every whole number is a natural number, true or false. Abigail, you can type. Deepak, you can type. Is it true or false? See, this question is here. You're able to see every whole number is a natural number. Can you tell me? I'll give you one minute time. Every whole number is a natural number. You must say whether it's true or false. It's the first question. Some simple questions you're asking. You may think, find it whether you understood. Every whole number is a natural number, true or false. You can tell us. Hope the voice is clear. You said the board is clear, and I think the voice is also clear for you. So every whole number is a natural number, true or false. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If every whole number is a natural number, what's the answer? True or false? You can tell us. This is a question asked to you. A simple question. You can tell us whether it's true or false. You can type it. Abigail, you can also say whether every whole number is a natural number. True or false. And there are three persons now. Two is there already. The third person, you can also join us. You can tell your name or institute or association. We'll be happy to know about it. Any language you can take. Fourth also, there are two more persons there. Two is coming with the Abigail and Abhishek and Samson. And two more persons are there. Probably it might be Deepak. Deepak is there. Abhishek, I think. So Abhishek is not there, I think. And two more persons are there. So this question is every whole number is a natural number, true or false. Sorry, true or false. So what is natural number? What is whole number? Simple question. Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the whole numbers you got what? 0. So 0 is not in the natural number. Correct? No. But 1 is in the natural number. 1 is in both natural number and whole number. 2 is in both natural number and whole number. 3 is in both natural number and whole number. But 0 is only in whole number, not in natural number. So every whole number is not a natural number. Because 0 is not a natural number. But otherwise it's correct. So the first question asked is whether every whole number is natural number. It was right answer. False. So the answer is actually false. So I write false. I put F. F means false. So every whole number is not a natural number because Whole number has got 1, 2, 3, 4 other natural numbers also got, but 0 is not there. So every whole number is not a natural number. Okay, next question. Ulta question. Reverse question. Whether every natural number is a whole number, true or false? Can you type it? It's a very easy question. First question I explained. Every whole number is not a natural number because 0 you find only one number, not a natural number. Of course, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, but one number is not there. Even one number is not there, the whole number is not there. Every whole number is not a natural number. It's false. Next question is what a question. Every natural number is a whole number. Can you tell it? It's true or false? Sure. Abigail answers false is wrong. True. See, every natural number is a whole number. See, 1 is a natural number, that's also a whole number. 2 is a natural number, that's also a whole number. 3 is a natural number, that's also a whole number. 4 is a natural number, that's also a whole number. So every natural number is a whole numbers. So this is actually true. So Abigail, hope you understood. The first one is only false. Every means every element, 0 is element. This particular 0 is not there. So it collapses. So every whole number 3. Hope you understood this. But every natural number is a whole number. Say you find 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Okay. But ulta is not there. Every whole number is not there. Simple questions to make you to understand. So what you want is wrong. It is true. Okay. So again I repeat. Every whole number is a natural number, true or false. See, whole number has got 0. 0 is not a natural number. So first step itself is false. But other things are coming. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there. Okay. All whole numbers are natural numbers except 0. So 0 is missing. Every means each element should be natural number. 0 is not there in natural number. So every whole number is not a natural number. Whereas every natural number is a whole number. Now we have said true. Correct. I think now understood. Second question is true. Come on, third question. Every integer is a whole number. See, integers here. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me whether every integer is a whole number? So you can check and say true or false. Abigail or Samson. Uncle, I said false for the first one. Oh, sorry. Okay. I mistaken with this. Okay, correct. And second, now come on, third one. Third one is true or false. Every integer, see, these are called integers, and these are called whole numbers. Whether true or false. Simple questions. No. See it right. Deepak, you can also tell. Hope you understood. You can also participate in it. Every integer is a whole number. What's the answer? See, there are integers here. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3. You mean the question is every integer is a whole number. What's the answer? Abigail, you can tell. What is integer is what? Given by the symbol set minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So integers are positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Whole numbers are only 0 and positive numbers. So the question asks whether every integer means every number in the integer is it a whole number? False, correct. Because integer has got minus 3, it's not in the whole number. Negative numbers are not there in the whole number. Simple. Minus 3 is not there, minus 2 is not there, minus 1 is not there, minus 4. So you're correct. So the third answer is false. 2 by 3 is an element of Z. I said what is meant by element? Z. So element means, see, minus 3 is an element of Z. Minus 2 is an, whether 2 by C is an element of Z, true or false? Abhigya, you can say. Whether 2 by 3 is an element of Z. So we write like this, hope you remember. 2 by 3 is called element of Z. You must say it's true or false. We wait. See, Z you say, Z has got this negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Whether 2 by 3 will come in, true or false. So you can give the answer. This is 4 simple questions of what was taught yesterday. PM atrocity side. Welcome, atrocity system. We are teaching the number system. We are happy that you joined with us. We're just teaching from basics, and you can join with us from 6 to 7. You'll be here till 7:15 also. You can tell your friends, neighbors, and well-wisher. If you're not comfortable with maths also, it's only basic. You can understand. Number system is basic. So we taught about natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. And 2 by 3 is an element of Z, whether it's true or false. False. False is correct because 2 by 3 is a fraction. Integers contains only negative numbers, 0 or positive numbers. 2 by 3 is not an element of Z. Okay, it is false. Correct. And like this, you can work out simple questions. Today we will go to rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. Okay, set of rational numbers is called descriptive form. This is called what form? Descriptive. Descriptive form. Okay. And rational numbers are written in the form P by Q. And Q should not be 0. Why Q should not be 0? Look here. If it is 2 by 0, you know what's the answer? It's called infinity. A very big number, we don't have answer. If 0 comes in the denominator, we don't get the answer. They call infinity. 3 by 0, it's called infinity. Okay. So like this, you have to write it. So the bottom number Q should not be what? Should not be 0. Okay. So this Q should not be 0. Okay. You may ask how this minus 3 is what? It's called Roster form. Set of rational numbers given by symbol Q. It's given by the symbol Q. Some syllables give also I and O, some other name, but Q is generally given by a lot of syllables. So this is called descriptive form, and this is called roster form. I told you yesterday. This is called roster form. So rational numbers can be written as P by Q, numerator by denominator. And Q should not be 0. I told you 2 by 0 means it's infinity. See? Minus 3. Minus 3 you can write as minus 3 by 1. Still it is minus 3. So minus 3 you can write by minus 3 by 1. Anything which can be written in the form P by Q is called rational numbers. So you ask how minus 3 is rational number. It is integer, no doubt. Minus 3 you can write as minus 3 by 1. Minus 3 by 1 is what? Minus 3. But this bottom to the denominator should not be 0. And P cubed belongs to Z. P and Q can be what? Positive number, thing what? 0 can come in the top. 0 by 1 equal to what? 0. So only 1 is also what? See, only 0 is also what? Yeah? a rational number. 0 means you can write it 0 by 1. So it's whole number as well as rational number. But don't write 1 by 0 is not allowed. It's equal to infinity. This is not allowed. The bottom denominator should not be 0. You got it? Top number can be 0. 0 by 1 is 0 only. Okay, that is allowed. You got it? See, look here. 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is also 0. But you can't write 2 by 0. This is not allowed. That's called infinity. 0 should not come in the denominator. Q should not be 0. The denominator should not be 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 comes in what? Thing. You got it? Look here. A number what? 1. 1 is also what? Rational number. You must outside. 1 means you can write as 1 by 1. 1 by 1, which is also what? 1. 3 is also a rational number. 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3, correct? No. Minus 3 is also a rational number. Minus 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 7. Anything which can be written in the form P by Q is a rational number. But P and Q are integers. P can be negative, Q can be negative, P can be positive. But the bottom should not be 0. Numerator can be 0. Got it? Okay. So this is called.
Rational number.
So rational numbers is a high topic. So again, I repeat this. See, in the diagram you say P by Q. 3 by 1, 0. 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. 0 by 1. Minus 2 by 1 is under rational numbers. Minus 2 is called rational number. Okay. Now, Q we can write also in the this form also. Q equal to X. Set filter notation I told you. This also you copy. Q equal to X. X belongs to what? Q. This is called set filter notation. It's where we note. It comes for higher classes. It's a computer application. Notation. Okay. This you can write it. So, this is called rational numbers representation. So I repeat rational number again. Rational number is a fraction. Rational number is what? A fraction. I told you when you join preschool, LKG, UKG, they teach you 1 to 3 only. That's called rational numbers. When you go to what? Third standard or fourth standard, they teach from 0. That's called whole numbers. When you go to 6th, they teach you minus 100. That's called integers. Then fraction comes in higher class. See, 1 by 2. 3 means 3 by 1. Okay, this minus 3 also is a right as well. Minus 3 by 1. You can write this 3 minus 3, you can write as what? So anything which is a fraction, P by Q, is called a rational number. You got it? And the Q should not be 0. The bottom number you must not put 0. Anything with 0 is called infinity. 0 by 3 is allowed. This is 0. Numerator can have 0. Denominator 0 means you need infinity. Infinity is a very big number, which you learn in higher classes. Not now. Okay. You got it. Now you're able to understand. So this is called rational numbers. Fractions are called rational numbers. But the denominator should not be 0. See, look at even 3 is a fraction. Don't think 3 is a whole number alone. 3 is a whole number, correct? But 3 you can write as 3 by 1. That is also 3. So 3 is actually an integer as well as a rational number. Okay, rational numbers are bigger level. So you can write like this: a rational number. See, you didn't write this. N is a subset of what? W. W is a subset of what? Z. And Z is a subset of R. So you can draw 4 diagrams. So tomorrow we'll draw and show you tomorrow. should not be zero. Q should not be zero. Denominator should not be zero for a rational number. And this kind of concept will teach you again. Again, we repeat rational numbers tomorrow. We write something because we forgot to draw the diagram. 4 diagrams should come. The subset and all will come. So today we will stop with rational numbers because irrational numbers is still more hard. Okay. So Abigail, Deepak, and others. Rational numbers are nothing but fractions. See, a full number 1 is also fraction. 1 means 1 by 1. 1 means what? 1 by 1 is also 1. So 1 is called an integer as well as a rational number. Okay. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 7. All is called rational numbers. So in general, a number having a fraction p and q is called rational number. The q should not be 0. If 0 comes down, it's called infinity. But p can be 0. I told you. So look here. 0 by 3 can come. That is 0. 3 by 0 is equal to infinity. This is not allowed. 0 should not come. Q should not be 0. These top numbers and bottom numbers can be Z. Except what? 0 should not come in the denominator. So, see, 0, 1. So, what all you find integers or rational numbers when you see? Minus 3 you can write by minus 3 by 1. Minus 2 you can write by minus 2 by 1. Minus 1 by 1, 0 by 1. 1 by 1, 2 by 1. Apart from this, you can get even half 2 by 7, minus 1 by 3. So, rational numbers is a very big topic on having what? Fractions. So, there are 4 brothers in house. How many brothers? 4 brothers. Natural number is the youngest brother, smallest, studying first standard. He's studying first standard, think like that. Next is whole numbers, studying what? Third standard, the elder brother. Integers is studying what standard? Fifth standard. And rational numbers is studying seventh standard. So this is eldest brother. Okay. So rational numbers are fractions which can be in the form p by q, and q should not be 0. Okay. Rational numbers you can write like this. And even root 4 is a rational number. Okay. Root 4 answer is plus or minus 2. So plus 2 is called whole number and minus 2 is called whole number as well as rational numbers. So tomorrow what